Landscaping is an activity of creating your own paradise to live in a healthy and peaceful environment. We at Jagtap Horticulture Private Limited help you develop and maintain that paradise. Ground Care is our professional landscape maintenance division. We are proudly maintaining landscapes of many corporates and residential customers over the last 15 years. Here is a customer of ours who wants to share his opinion on various aspects of landscaping.
Yes, surely. In my view, good landscaping and horticulture in any organization is a added advantage because it gives a first-hand experience to any visiting person in the organization, be it customer or employees. Everyone wanted to have a natural and good-looking and well-maintained organization, and which gives a first-hand experience. There are various aspects involved in the horticulture. It is a kind of a very sophisticated area wherein you need to know that which kind of plants can be planted in which kind of environment, in which kind of soil, what sort of fertilization or germicides need to be used, and all this knowledge can come only from a professional organization. In that aspect, Ground Care has been very handy. They have given us very useful and professional advice, and with that help, we at Mahale are able to maintain landscaping at our organization in good shape. Normal approach of any organization is to involve labor into this kind of projects and just maintain the trees and plants. However, as I said, that it need a lot of insight knowledge to maintain all the plants and horticulture. Earlier we had same kind of approach wherein we have hired a few people from a labor contractor, and we have given them some instrument to deal with, and they were doing it, but we were never satisfied with the outcome. Best aspect about the Ground Care is that they do not do the labor work. They do actually come with a lot of knowledge behind that, and they develop your landscaping with the view of next 3-4 years. In nutshell, I can say that they are not labor providers. Actually, they are your channel partners in terms of creating a new experience at your organization for any visiting person, customer or employees. Yes, I completely agree that moving from a labor kind of contract arrangement to a professional service gives you edge. It helps to reduce your work, and same thing has happened with me as an head of the department. I was always concerned about the condition of the landscape because this is a prime focus from our chairman side also. That's how I used to give a lot of time towards this side. However, since the ground care has come into picture, my load or my time has reduced towards the landscaping, because they are able to take care of the entire landscaping, and it is also a service level agreement. We are able to clearly define the service level parameters, and as in service seekers, we only monitor those parameters, and if those parameters on the paper matches in the ground, it takes away your lot of burden, and end of the day you are more satisfied in terms of the outcome. Prior to ground care, we were using the well water, and we were, as I said, that we had prime focus on landscaping, and we were putting very new plants. However, they were not surviving. We were giving water also. We were doing a lot of other activities which are required to maintain those plants, but those plants were not able to survive. And we have done all the analysis, and we could not understand that what is the reason why these plants do not survive at our place. Then when the ground care was in, they have first done the analysis on this aspect, and they have done the soil study and the water study. Came to know that the water what we were using from the well was salinite. Yes, as a principal employer, this is always a major focus area, the compliance part, the legal compliance. Past few years, since when the ground care has been joined, I've seen that they are very methodical in their legal compliance. I've never had any internal points in our internal audits, and that is the one of the parameter which is part of the service level agreement. And in nutshell, I can say that ground care is very strong in their legal compliance.
खूपच ॲप्रिशिएबल आहे, कारण आल्या दिवसापासून तुमची टीम आम्ही अशी ॲप्रिशिएट करतो की ठराविक शेड्यूल जर ठरलेलं आहे त्या शेड्यूलला तुमची टीम येते, सगळे इक्विपमेंट घेऊन येतात, प्रॉपर युनिफॉर्ममध्ये असतात. आमचे लिगल जे कॉम्प्लायन्स आहेत की परमिट वगैरे त्याची ॲडव्हान्समध्ये मला मेलवरती त्यांचे SIC नंबर येतात. फार कॉपरेटिव्ह नेचरचे आहेत, फार सोबर आहेत, चांगल्या प्रकारे बिहेव करतात ते सगळे.
Yes, I would surely recommend ground care to any of the organization who wanted to have the service level agreement with primarily 2-3 points. Number one, they are thorough professional in their task. They come with the innovative ideas and knowledge to carry out the task at the customer place, and the kind of feedback they give, or rather I would say the kind of constructive feedback they give on the landscaping. Another point which is very strong with the ground care is the compliance, the professionalism of their staff. They are well turned out, they are well behaved, and even their worker level staff is highly trained of doing their task. So with these qualities or these parameters, I would always suggest that any organization can have a service level agreement with the ground care.